YouTube. I'm sitting here watching the Maxwell Anderson trial case right now. You know what I'm saying? Um, right now they sitting here just talking about what happened during the time and all these crimes and the body parts showing up here and there, and just then y'all glance at to see the judge said about the times and dates and stuff that he did. Maxwell looking stupid over there, sitting over there like he don't know what he did. Try to pretend like he didn't do nothing when he got caught and all that stuff with body parts and that dumbass lawyer sitting right next to him. But trying to protect him because he trying to seem like he's trying to pretend like he didn't do nothing, like he don't know what he did. Like some people always trying to play stupid when they know they did something wrong and they try to pretend like there's something wrong with him. He need a check and he go get a psychological. It's always something messed up. Look at that. Cutting off breasts and all that type of mess. Man, somebody else did that. They be all over this case, man. That's why I be saying about these court cases. People let that stuff get away with it and all that, and like they just don't care what the situation might be. Just look at him. Look at the lawyer. The lawyer know what he did something wrong. That's all it takes. You know what I'm saying? The lawyer sit there, try to defend a person because they just want the court case to keep going over and over and over again. I'm sitting at home right now. I just woke up. I ain't see the whole thing. I'm just watching a little bit of it. Look at him. I don't know what she let him talk to him for. They got evidence against him. All he doing just sitting there looking stupid. Just look at him. Just look at that dumb look on his face. Have you spoken with your client relative? Let me ask you this: do you intend to present any witnesses other than the defendant? Defense rests. So, Mr. Anderson, have you discussed with your attorney again your constitutional right to testify as well as? If I was that girl family, I had an opportunity to jump over there, I will whoop his all over that damn building if I get an opportunity to do it. In a criminal case, you do not need to prove your innocence, but the state must prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Understood? Yes. And you understand. You can say yes. You can understand that. If you choose to testify, you would be subject to cross-examination by these prosecutors. I understand. And you understand if you choose not to testify, that cannot be commented on by anyone. That cannot be used against you. Understood? You look like a damn killer. Have you had enough time to discuss this decision to testify or not to testify with your lawyer? Can't stand this type of stuff. Have your attorneys provided you with their professional? That's why I don't get by courts. If you got all type of evidence against you, you did this and did that. I don't think about it, they not find the whole body. He chopped the girl up so many times, so many different places and all that stuff that you know what I'm saying, they just can't find the whole body because they only find bits and pieces of it. Have you used any drugs or alcohol in the past 24 hours? No. Are you taking any medication that would affect your understanding of these proceedings today? No. After thinking through everything we just talked about just now, is it still your decision not to testify? Tell you, man, this case is all messed up, man. Have you discussed with your client his constitutional all messed up. Look at him. His right to testify as well as his constitutional sit there protecting somebody who done killed somebody, chopped them up and all that, and they got video cameras of what he did. Last 2 nights after trial, we've had jail visits to discuss that.
Mr. Finley and I both discussed it with him.
And are you satisfied he understands what his rights entail?
He does.
And have you advised him of your professional opinion?
Yes.
And are you aware of anyone making any threats or promises using any force or coercion towards him in respect to this decision?
No, I'm not aware of any such threats.
Are you so satisfied that he is making his decision?
Should have been a lot of threats against him.
Knowingly with full understanding?
Yes.
I
You know,
am as
he's
well.
just sitting up there,
I am
just sitting up there like he don't know what's going on.
Freely, voluntarily, knowingly, and with full understanding. Let's proceed at this point in time to do a.
He's just sitting up there like he ain't got no damn sense at all. With that dumb look on his face, like he just don't know nothing. I tell you about this dude. Dude ain't nothing.
Prior to the matter being
Well,
called, the state indicated
sad, sick bastard. And people still gonna take up for him, but they act like he ain't did nothing to nobody. This case don't make no sense. I wouldn't even had no case dealing with him. Cause the boy he ain't no but a killer. He did what he wanted to do to that girl. He chopped that girl up and just spread her body all over the place. And people still want to feel sorry for him. Well, I hope he get what he get in that court case room. I hope somebody whoop his ass before he get in jail. When he get in jail, they should beat him again. Case closed.